honeybees, bumblebees, spelling bees. Well, spelling bees aren't actually bees, but do you love bees? If so, then you could be a beekeeper. A beekeeper, also known as apiarists, help bees take care of themselves. Beekeepers provide bees with hives, shelters, medications, and sometimes new queens. All you'll need is a high school diploma. If you're looking to manage other beekeepers or research everything about bees, then you'll need a degree in Entomology, the study of insects. Some of these schools have excellent programs that you could ask your parents or guardians about to learn more. Have any ideas on how you could use your love of bees to make money? You can plant certain flowers to safely attract bees that provides them with pollen and nectar to take back to their hive. Be sure to ask your parents or guardians for permission before getting started. Have a buzzing good time!